Hey everybody, it's Wes with All Pistons Garage again. Guys, we got the Mustang wiped off and cleaned up. We're headed to Boston, Georgia to a cruise in. They have that every third Saturday of the month during the spring and summer and the fall. So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna load all 5,000 of you guys up with us. So let's get in, let's buckle up, and let's go check it out. All right, guys, let's get into it.
She's sweet. Always has been. But anyway.
How y'all doing?
Man, we doing great.
Yeah? Good looking Buick here, ain't it?
Well, it's really not, the paint's terrible, but I used to race it, that's why.
Okay.
You get behind when you take it on the track and you pull up and you got somebody back there doing burnouts and swinging rocks.
Oh, yeah.
So
Yeah.
I said, you know, once I do it, I'm going to probably pretty much retire, but then when you get to really nice paint, then you don't want to drive it.
That's right.
And I've got one like that.
You're
That's
right.
going to bring. That's my heart.
Shiny paint headaches.
Oh, I got one that I had done in an Indian reservation. They specialized in Montreal, Canada. That's my number one. Why? Because that's where all my memories were. Brand new.
Gotcha.
But I'm very, and I used to race it. I got all the pictures of everything back in the day. But
What's the fastest time you ran with it?
with this, here it is right here. That was the time I retired. They told me if I didn't need a cage, if I kept it no more under 990s, it'll go 950s and 140. But
930s.
and that was same one day down there. That was back as you see, and that was in 2006.
Wow.
And that was very fast in 2006.
Wow.
I've never been on a trailer. Yep. First day was the open track out here. And that's where I used to take it in Swearingen and we were in there. That's where we were But then the car's unmodified suspended and they needed suspension. I was having some the only reason I would do this. I got straight
Do a junior dragster.
I said, just because your friends do it, that don't mean you got to do it.
56 4-door. Like that color. '53 Chevrolet pickup. '72 Toyota. Huh. I love these cars right here. Always have. Just love everything about them.
paint job is still.
What year model? 69, I thought so.
Matching numbers. Most interior looks to be original. I've checked it over. The only replacement metal on it was right here.
don't want to do all the work in it, so don't be bad. Don't be bad about it, man.
I've got the used cars already. I think about buying a Mustang.
65 for 4.2.
Look, get off that water.
Got the whip in antenna. Dodge Dart. Got AC. Mini Cooper. Got us a Shelby. Very nice. What year model, buddy?
71.
71?
Yes, sir.
I seen it coming down the road, boy, that yellow.
yeah.
I love that yellow.
Yeah.
I sure do.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
me too. I never thought I'd buy it, but I found this at a good price, and I jumped on
Yeah,
it. So
had to have it.
I had to have
That's
it.
right. It looks good, brother.
Thank you, sir. I'll see you around.
Super Sport. 4-speed car. Good looking car. Good looking car.
I had to change the cover.
Go around, just go take 5.
Another 56 Chevrolet. This one's a 2-door. What is this, like maybe a 72 Nova? Somewhere around there. Nice. Yeah, 4-speed car as well. It's 57 Nomad.
Still braided stuff.
Red interior. Can't really see in there. Tinted windows. A lot of chrome.
You put a cord good in that thing.
I know, right?
A lot of hole crap.
That's right.
The original motor, I think, was a straight Buick 6, I believe.
Yeah.
There were 4.
Yeah.
Can't remember which one that is.
It's got a flathead in it.
Yes, sir. It's a really good body and everything.
What year model is it?
It's a 1949 Kaiser Willys Overland Jeep pickup truck.
Okay. All right.
It was the conversion from the 48s and earlys to the new grill where it's got the chrome plate put on. It's got 2 pieces of chrome. It's really supposed to have 3 by like the extra.
Oh, okay.
Chrome put on to it.
Okay.
Nice.
I tell you what, it's solid, ain't it?
It is.
It's solid. Huh. Really? I'll be dang.
Still working on it.
Mm.
And then I had to go get one to play with as a toy, so I got me this one.
There you go.
Got that in.
Good looking car right there. Charger. GTO 64 it says on the tag. 64 GTO convertible. Nice. They was big into that white interior back then, wasn't they? Automatic car. Very nice. Another convertible GTO, a little bit newer. Man, the interior is nice in this one. This looks to be a 4-speed car. Nice. Very nice. Man, got a lot of convertibles here. Fairlane 67. A good looking car. Nice. Corvette. Is this a L82? I'm not sure the year model. I'm thinking very low 70s. Not real good on the Corvettes. If you know, put it in the comments. I'm sure some of you do. T-top car. Oh, we got us a new Edge here. 4.6. BBK upper intake on it. Nice, nice. Dodge.
And he made him take the radio out. So it's a whole dash. Hey, who bought this? The guy that. Well, no, the guy that bought this was 70-something years old. It's from San Angelo, Texas, and the high school color there was angry orange. So whoever said, did you look and see the name of the Chevrolet there on the front? I did. Look at that. That's one of the most ironic things about it.
What year model is it, buddy? 70? Okay, thank you. Straight 6. Got straight 6 in there. Don't see that very much. 230. Very nice. Very nice. Ooh. Got us a Camaro here. Convertible. Maybe a 68, maybe. A lot of convertibles. A lot of convertibles. Got the old El Camino here. Cal induction. Another T-top.
Make my way that way. I'm gonna hit that buzzard picture.
Of course, here's ours. That yellow's an eye grabber, ain't it? Nice. Got the rumble seat back here in the back. This is out of the Waltons. That's just how you'd have seen it back in the day. Back in the day. Says 302.